Hey guys, Jax here. Got something new for you guys to meet. This is Luigi. He's a little dash hound. Everyone calls him Louie. Had him for a couple years now, and I thought, hey, he's adorable. People might like to meet him. So it's about 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm doing this now because I'm hanging out with a friend, Jamie, and it's first girlfriend I've had to hang out with outside of school in a while. So I might be sleeping over at her house tonight. So I figured, hey, might as well do it now. So my friend in Germany, my room saying I knew someone from Germany. He would like me to write some songs for him because apparently he's really bad at writing, especially in English, and even wants some English songs so he can sing them and learn them. So he's asked me to write some songs for him. And what I was wondering is, what should I write about, guys? Let me know. Leave a comment in my little comment box and let me know what I should write about, you know? Could be love, could be death, could be anything. What should I write about? Give me some inspiration. And I'm probably going to have to write some of it in German too. It's going to require me to go to Google and go to the translator. Not exactly accurate, but the best I'm going to get. So, time for random fact of the day. Random fact of the day, I would, when I get out of high school, and I want to go to college for radio broadcasting, and I'd like to be a radio broadcaster. So, don't I have the perfect face for radio? It was a joke. Anyway, sorry, that was probably a little weird. Question of the day. What should I ask? What would you guys want me to ask you? How about what? No, better one. If you could be any animal in the world, what would it be and why? So, just again, leave your answer in the comment section below. Sorry, I'm kind of out of it today. I've had a stressful last few days, and today's supposed to be a relaxing day, but I just got a text from Jamie. So I should probably wrap this up so that I can answer her and go meet up with her and have some girly fun. I'm not girly. So, Louie, say goodbye. Bye. And you'll be seeing more of little Louie another day. And you'll see me tomorrow. And tomorrow is going to be my last vlog for a little while. For a week. As you remember, I'm going away on Sunday. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to make sure tomorrow is extra long since you won't see me for a week. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.